basa kasaya kete kora le tuo no le mi pami pa kinyo puti pani kasaya tama nyora ni ko ma nyora ni ko kelo no moi ba so bitu no sa ke ni to toli kasaya so bi mo into Jeremiah 10 kasaya I have a plan for you I have a plan for you not to destroy you but to prosper you no tu ke je thot ke du thok le do no masa always remember God Jesus Christ the only true God you know tara dige dead if you remember Jesus Christ the creator the deliverer the sustainer the comforter in your life the young people the old people everybody will be fine okay everybody we will be fine saya suwe pakinyo putih ba kuni akai peti ba wa kha